Namaste, Mother ji.
Namaste.
Very good morning, Mother ji.
Very good morning.
It is such a beautiful day, Mother ji.
Yeah.
And आज मेरे मन में ये आ रहा है कि हम विमेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, हम मदर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, बट रियली इसका क्या मीनिंग है? तो बीइंग अ लेडी ऑल्सो, क्या इसका पूरा समझ है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? कैसे इसको फीलिंग, इसकी थिंकिंग जो है, एंड स्पेशली इन टुडेज टाइम जब विमेन इतनी आगे भी निकल चुकी हैं, बट वी स्टिल टॉक ऑफ जेंडर इक्वालिटी. तो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ बीइंग अ वुमन, उसका क्या मीनिंग है मदर जी? प्लीज इस पे लाइट डालिए.
वेरी फर्स्ट, जैसे हम ये विमेंस डे बोलते हैं, मदर्स डे बोलते हैं, सो एक्चुअली ओनली दैट डे इज अ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. इट इज नॉट दैट, बिकॉज एवरी डे इज अ डिवाइन डे, नो? एंड डिवाइन इज डूइंग same every day. That grace is every day. But this Women's Day and Mother's Day or Love Day or whatever day we are celebrating, actually we are giving a remembrance to ourselves. See, something is like that within us, with us, or behind us, or before us. So we have to remember all that thing. We should not forget that. So that's way. So when we saying about Women's Day, so Women's Day is actually a very great thing. People are not aware about that, what woman is.
Wow.
And why divine is sending woman on this earth plane.
Okay.
So there is a purpose behind that, but that purpose nobody knows, and they are treating woman as a just like other things and things
वैल्यू नहीं देते.
things they are using as a things.
Yes.
Just where they are using things, they are using women also that way. But woman is a very special gift of divine. She is a divine Shakti. Divine Shakti means whatever caliber of divine is placing in woman.
Wow.
So she is all that Shakti is within her. She is Mahakali, she is a Mahasaraswati, she is a Mahalakshmi, she is the Maheshwari, and all that aspects are within her. And she is beautifully using all that characters, knowing or unknowingly.
Okay.
And woman who is really very conscious, she is doing this divine role of woman fantastically.
Wow.
And what is the purpose of woman in this world? With divine giving us. So when woman is conscious, she is utilizing everything in a real manner. She is conscious about everything beforehand.
Wow.
Because divine is giving her that within power also, that sixth sense also to her. So she knows beforehand everything. Beforehand everything. Just she intuitively she catch up everything.
Right.
So that intuition power is also with her. And nowadays we see that how nicely women are working. They are in a very higher post. They are in a military. They are in a navy, aeroplane, Air Force, and so many important places. Even where decision taking place is very fast. That part is a woman is doing very faster than men.
Yes.
She can take decision very fast,
Yes.
very spontaneous, because all working are going within her every moment. So men are not so much conscious like woman.
Right.
But I am telling about conscious woman. Woman, she is conscious. She is a very perfect. She knows how to utilize every moment. She is aware about herself also. She is giving a more energy on herself. she is knowing the importance of that self, and
Yes.
she is knowing the power of that self, and she is using all that powers every
Wow.
time, and
Wow.
that woman is a fantastic role is doing. Hmm? So otherwise women are neglected, no? उनको बहुत नीचा दर्जा दिया जाता है. मेन्स आर ट्रीटिंग वेरी फुलिशली विद देम. कोई समझता है उसका प्रॉपर्टी है, कोई समझता है इसको तो ऐसे ही करना है,
Right.
कोई समझता है कि इसका तो बुद्धि कम रहता है. एंड दे आर सेइंग ऑल्सो इस जगह का आपको मालूम नहीं.
Right.
And somebody is even telling that you see only in kitchens. you see only बच्चा लोग
हाँ.
or lower places. So they are again and again admiring that she is lower than me. And men are actually what you say,
Dominating.
dominating them, and they are putting them lower. They
Yes.
wanted to them putting
जानबूझ के ऐसा करते हैं.
and they want to show their supremacy.
Yes.
So I am
They're
on
superior to women.
I am superior, but within also they know that she is superior.
Yes. Yes.
Because that superiority is before them. Her
Right.
act is showing that she is
Right.
superior.
Ji.
So if you are dominating also, but that superiority is not, you can't hide
Yes.
that.
Yes.
That will reflect.
Yes.
So they men also have to be very conscious about that thing.
Yes.
And they have also know that man and woman is not two but one.
Right.
And this universal oneness, women and man is a one.
Yes.
They are a supreme being, and when people are looking at supremacy, and when they think about consciously about the life of spirit, and when they know that oneness of this universe, and when they know that they are not a dual
Dual entity.
dual entity but a one,
Yes.
and together if they are living together, thinking together, cooperating together, so they can do a very marvelous role.
Wow.
Hmm?
जी जी.
And very important part is that woman has to be remember that herself,
Yes.
she is a divine Shakti, and she is a very powerful, and she can do whatever she wants to do. She should not be neglected.
She should be aware.
She
of
should be
her-
aware about that, and she has to herself just increase her power.
Wow.
Take that powerful role. She should not think
जी.
herself like that way. So then woman can do so much on this earth.
जी.
Women themselves thinking ना कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I am woman, and women are not helping other women.
other.
They are not thinking about other women. So being a woman, if they are not thinking about other women, so how they can respect
Yes.
themselves?
कोई और कैसे रिस्पेक्ट
So,
करेगा?
so we have to think all about this thing and use that women power very nicely. And even in this vast world, the women are wants space, not only in this universe, or not only on that foolish logical papers or
Yes,
that
yes.
thing, but space in a man's heart. And then
अंदर.
and then everything will be go very smoothly.
Wow.
So always remember that Women's Day is telling me that be conscious, be powerful, and use your power.
वाओ. मदर जी कितने सुंदर से आपने सिंपल तरीके से हमें ये एक्सप्लेन किया. जो आपने बताया कि कॉन्शियसली अनकॉन्शियसली वुमन इज वर्किंग इन दैट वे.
Yes.
उसका मतलब इनर में बनाया ही
बनाई
डिवाइन
है.
ने वैसा है.
Yes.
डिवाइन शक्ति हमारे अंदर है.
Yes.
बट हम वो भूल गए हैं.
Yes.
एंड बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट एवर वेरियस कंडीशनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट
Yes.
हमारा एजुकेशन
Yes.
दो ट्रूथ में वो वैसा नहीं है पर
Yeah.
हमने उसको मान लिया है. एंड
Yeah.
एज अ लेडी बीइंग अ वुमन जब मैं ट्रूथ जान रही हूँ, जब मैं मुझे ये पहचान हो रही है कि अरे आई एम टू डिवाइन शक्ति एंड आई हैव टू यूज use it very beautifully in the right way
Yes.
and become conscious.
Yes.
So when consciously I am using that Shakti,
Yes.
वो एकदम different ये world में play कर रही है
Yes.
और हमें नज़र आ रहा है आज।
Yes.
जब हम सुपर वुमन बोलते हैं तो
Yeah.
सुपर वुमन का मीनिंग ही ये है
Yes.
कि सारे वो जो अंदर पावर्स डिवाइन ने दिए हैं, शी इज यूजिंग इट इन द
Right
राइट वे,
way.
इन द राइट डायरेक्शन,
Yes.
और सबके बेनिफिट के लिए।
Yes.
एंड
Yes.
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट मैन वुमेन
Yes.
अलग नहीं करना है हमको, नोबडी सुपीरियर और
Yes.
इंफीरियर।
Yeah.
वो इतना सुंदर क्रिएशन है डिवाइन का,
Right.
तो हमको एक बन के आगे बढ़ना है एंड
Yes.
क्रिएट अ ब्यूटिफुल वर्ल्ड।
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mother ji. Lots of love and gratitude.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you.